strong. We're not the same, we're different in a good way. Together's where we belong. We're all in this together. Once we know that we are, we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true. Everybody now, together, 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 everyone, together, together. Come on, let's have some fun. Together, we're there for each other every time. Together, together, come on, let's do this right.
We're all here and speaking out with one voice. We're gonna rock the house.
Rock.
Yeah, yeah. The party's on. Now everybody make some noise. Go on, scream and shout.
We will rise because we stuck together. Champions want it all. We're all in this together. Once we know that we are, we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come. We're all in this together. When we reach, we can fly. Know inside we can make it. We're all in this together. Once we see there's a chance that we have, and we take it. Wildcats, sing along. Yeah, you really got it going on. Wildcats in the house. Everybody say it now. Wildcats everywhere. Wave your hands up in the air. That's the way we do it. Let's get to it. Time to show the world. We're all in this together. Once we know that we are, we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true. All in this together. When we reach, we can fly. Know inside we can make it. We're all in this together. Once we see there's a chance that we have, and we take it. Wildcats everywhere. Wave your hands up in the air. That's the way we do it. Let's get to it. Come on, everyone.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you? Let me just put on my camera. It says something. There we go. Nice. How are you guys? Have you missed the trading? Let me see you in the chat, guys, who with me. Monday, Money Day. Where's Money Monday? It's here, bro. It's right here. Let me hear, guys. How did you spend your weekend, guys? Let me see it in the chat. Let me see in the chat. It's about time. Let me see in the chat, and let me just be aware of gold as well, because I think we have a nice setup. In the job a lot. What have you done in the weekend, guys? Are you still sleeping? Why don't I see more people in the chat? Had a nice little team meeting yesterday. Nice, Beata. Super important. Family and son. Nice. Grill with friends. Nice. Finally riding my motorbike. Why? Motorbike. That's nice, Camila. Nice. I love that. Must have been a nice weather. Walking with alpaca yesterday. Nice. Lovely. Nice, guys. It looks like that you had a nice weekend. Any of you who have been out partying, spent some of the trading money? No? I'm glad to see that. So let me see who's here, guys. Please put in where you. I can see there's a lot of people again, guys. I've missed you a lot, guys, like crazy. Always miss Trondheim. But there's not that many cameras, guys? Is it because it's Monday or what is happening? I can see Miriam with a what is it called? I don't remember the name of them. You have to type it in the chat. I don't remember. Poland, Budur, Poland, Mælkesnit, Mælkesnit. Yes, exactly. In my language, it's Mælkesnit. Poland, Wrocław, Budur, Oslo, Norway, Düren, London, Germany, Trondheim, Poland. A lot of people from Poland. That's nice. Tryshanka. Crazy name. Tryshanka. That's insane, guys. So guys, let me see a number one if it's your first time on this session, guys. Let me see a number one and then we start the session, okay? Then we start the session. Let me see a number one. No, not anyone new. Guys, we are also doing network. We can't only do trading, guys. We should not only do trading. We have to bring new people to the calls every time, guys, okay? We want more people to make money. I'm in Torun. I forgot. You forgot where you I don't get it. I'm in Torun. I forgot. Torun also. Crazy. So no new people, guys. So yeah, let's keep the secret. Let's just work together. Let's just work together. Let's go to the markets, guys. Have some of you been trading Bitcoin over the weekend or crypto? I've seen that crypto have been going up this weekend, actually, guys. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. Alrighty, alrighty. It's going up. Crazy, crazy. Let's see if it can keep going up, guys. And also, guys, I have my eyes on gold, of course. And we're also gonna talk a little bit about over trading that I still see some people is like doing a lot. Remember, guys, over trading is shit. I know that overworking on a normal job pays you better. I can tell you that the only job where you're getting more poor by overworking is trading, guys. Okay, write that down. Maybe that's a memory so you don't do over trading anymore. If you overtrade, you get more poor. If you overwork in trading, you get more poor. So always remember, guys, take 1 to 2, maybe maximum 3 setups a day, and you will keep the 9 to 5 away. If you take more, you're gonna get poor. Wow, freestyle rapper Benjamin, crazy. So right now, guys, we are in this downtrend, and let me just mark out when we open the London session. Since the opening of the London session, we have been going down like crazy, guys, and I believe that we have to go more down. You can see 8 a.m. right here, guys. 8 a.m. where it was, that was the area where we opened this London session. London session here. And we have just been going down, 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 like this. Right now, right before we entered the session, we were in a buying area, guys. Not the best one, but okay area to do buys. Right now, we have to wait for testing our London session opening. When we get to this area, guys, we can start to do sells again. Because if we are looking at the bigger perspective, guys, I believe that we're gonna see gold melt this week, actually. Of course, there's a chance for it to turn on 0382, but I don't see not clarity for concluding that we are going to do a change of character here and begin to go to the upward. Right now, guys, I really believe and I hope that we are going down further, because if we do that, then we can begin to look for buys down here in this area. But we have to wait. On the smaller perspective, guys, we want the price to go down here in this area where we can begin to look for buys. Or also we want to see it take out this liquidity down here. So this is our buying area, guys, and I believe that we are going to have a setup if the price is going down here, guys. If not, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We are patient people, right? So let's see if we can get down to this area. It's an interesting buying area, guys, and we can have a nice buy order, which looks something like this. and this in the first time, and this in the second time, guys. So we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait for the price to get down here. But it's a nice buying area already. It's a nice buying area. Let's be aware, guys, because if we want to take a setup, this should be the setup for the day, guys. So let's see if it's possible. But I want to see some spikes before that we're entering this. Also, we have 1, 2, 3. So we need to see a little bit of a spike to the downward going before we're entering this one. And we also have to be aware of the 15 and 5 minutes. The 15 minutes actually shown like really bullish candlestick right here. Right now we have 12 minutes to see if this candle is closing bearish, guys. We need to stay away. If it's closing bullish, we need to find an entry ASAP. But it looks nice, and this is gonna be the setup for the day, I believe, guys. So let's see if we can have this one. Also, let's go to DeepSage and ask what he is thinking, or she. Oops, let me open it. We can do this. I can delete this one, and we can do this one, and take a screenshot instead. And then we can take this low here to this high here. Let me just check out where we are. Guys, we are actually at the buying area right now. Oh, where is it exactly? It's this one, guys. Have we been testing it yet? Not yet, not fully. I want to see if we can get down to 4572, maybe 4570, and then the price starts to spike up, guys. Then we can have a trade. But let me just send it into DeepSage. Like this. There we go, guys. And sorry, guys, I'm a little bit tired today. I don't know why. I'm a little bit tired today. But I know that this week is going to be absolutely incredible. Also, I'm going to move location tomorrow because I have a live event the 5th of May. And we have rented a nice house where we have to do the event. Where do you think that is going this London session? And is it bullish or bearish? And tell me the probability in percentage. 1 hour, 15 minutes. Let's check, guys. If we can, I would really like to have this one, guys. Maybe we should already start, guys, to do buys. Be ready, guys, okay? This is important. This is important area. It's a really important area, actually. Oh no, I need to sign out. All right, just let me log in. I'm gonna do this in a second because we have to take this trade, guys. I believe that we have to take it. We are at least really close to go into the buy, guys. You see this 15-minute candle, guys? I'm a little bit curious if it's going to close above this candle, guys. It looks like it can happen. And the area that we have to be aware of is right here in the first run, 4587, 4583. Not the strongest support area right here, but a little support area. And then we have to go Crazy. But let's check here, guys. Let me just check. And let me ask Deep Sage now. Is everyone ready, guys, for the first trade of the week, maybe? Maybe. Perfect. Now we're in. Let me see the chat. Is everyone active, born ready, ready as never before, ready? People have just missed this over the weekend. Let's do this. I still have the screenshot, otherwise let me copy this, send it in. Deep Sage is sleeping as well, guys. I don't know what is happening here. There we go, and let me do this. Let's check, now it should work. 4577, is there something else we need to be aware of? Of course, we need to be aware of this area. We need to be aware of this area. But I don't think that we are going to test this area right now. We are, of course, in a downtrend, guys, and I know it's better to do sells than buys right now, but in the lower time frames, the lower perspective. See, I have overlooked something, guys. I hate to oversee something. Let's see what Deep Sage is saying. Bearish 70%, yeah, I agree. 70, 30%. London says scalper moon and chase a cloud. Do we have any news events today, guys? Let's just do our research. Of course, bank holiday. Cash rate tomorrow. Wednesday, nothing. I'm just checking all the news, guys, for the week, so we know what we have to be aware of. Looks like a nice week, guys, to be honest. Looks like a really nice week, actually. So the only thing there is actually not that nice, guys, is that on the bigger perspective, we are in a downtrend, right? We are in this downtrend, and we have just on Friday seen that we actually rejected here, guys, and started to go to the downtrend again. And that takes some percentage out from our buy position, because that means that we are actually able to break this area that we are in right now. So we gotta be a little bit careful, and that makes me actually a little bit more patient, guys. I don't like this at all. But on the smaller time frames, guys, it's the only thing that we are able to do today. We can't do any sales here, guys. That would be absolutely insane. That would be crazy to do sales in this area, right? So overall, guys, we don't have the edge if we're looking at the bigger perspective. Deep Sage is saying that we have to go down. I'm saying that we have to go down in the bigger perspective as well. But on the smaller perspective, guys, this is not a bad buying area. This is really not a bad buying area on the smaller perspective. So we have to be aware of this 15-minute candle, and then let's see if we are able to get a small retracement afterwards. Because that's the only setup that we are able to get right now on gold. GBP, JPY, guys. It's a sexy trend, right? You see, this trend have been going on since last year, guys. This trend have been going on since last year, and we are in a nice buying area right now. So we also have to look out for GBP, JPY, especially because that we have all this liquidity up here. We have all these wicks to the downside, which really just tells us that the markets is about to like maybe turn, guys. So this is also something that we have to be aware of, this area right here. But gold right now is the only thing that I want to do a buy on. Then we have silver. Let's check silver. It's also in a buying area. What do you think, guys? Let me see you in the chat. Dixie is going down a little. Yes, sir. I see that. Dixie should go more down, right? Let me see. Where did we have the gap? We had the gap right here. We have filled the gap always, of course. If the Dixie is going down, that means that the gold should go up, guys. Dixie is basically the dollar, guys, okay? Remember that. So we always have to be aware of gold and on Dixie, because sometimes we're able to actually see before that Dixie is going down, but gold is not moving. And if that's the thing, guys, we're able to catch a edge as well in the markets. So let's see. Let's see. The 15 minutes is not looking nice right now, guys. So we have to be patient. Let's stay patient. Let's stay patient. Let's see if we can catch this. Not the best setup. That means, guys, because of that we are in a downtrend, guys, and the market, we want to do a buy here. Oh, there's a dog at the barber shop. It's crazy. Nice fade that you're putting on your dog. I like it. So, guys, we have a bigger edge on doing sales on gold, right? That means that if we are taking a buy, guys, we should at least do it with a small risk, guys, half of what you're normally doing. And because that we have the West League soon, guys, I'm also going to take the trade from SageMaster. I'm going to take the trade from SageMaster as well. Because we need to, in the West League, take all trades from our Magic Terminal, guys. So it's really important that everyone knows how to use Magic Terminal. It's super simple. Press buy or press sell. Just reload the market so we can see the current price. It's not showing, no. Let's go to PU Prime here. So current price right here. You put in. You can either choose to put in fixed lots, or you can either choose to put in how many percentages that you want to risk, guys. So you can choose to risk 0.5% or 1% of your whole capital. Then afterwards, you put in your stop loss or take profit, or you just place the trade. No, you can't do that yet. Like this, 4, 5, 7. That could be 6, 5, and 4, 5, 84. And then you press the buy button, guys. Then you're only risking 0.5% of your whole capital, guys. This is at least better than doing fixed lot size, guys, because you don't know exactly the amount that you're risking when you're putting in fixed lots, guys. So please always remember, guys, when we're doing trading, doesn't matter if we're making 1,000 pips or 2,000 pips or 100 pips, guys. It's about the risk management and the risk reward, guys. So if someone is showing like, we've made 1,000, 2,000 pips, guys, always be aware, is it a nice risk reward? Always. So make sure, guys, that you are risking the same as if it was a position with 200 pips take profit, guys, and 200 pips stop loss. Always make sure that you are putting in the number and not just a lot size. A little bit boring, but it's also bank holidays, guys. And you know, bank holidays means there is a smaller volume in the markets, so just have to wait a little bit. We just have to wait a little bit. But let me check here. Let me check here. All right, guys, it looks so nice for a buy opportunity. I don't know why. I'm a little bit slow today, guys, but my intuition is not good. It's not telling me that we have to enter here, guys. Even though that we have some volume spikes here. Here. should we just take that buy, guys? I don't know why I'm so slow, guys. Someone with a better intuition than me who can tell me what should we do in this trade, guys. I'm in. Okay, crazy. Dixie is pushing more down. It actually is. Okay, guys, you can make yourself ready. So the stop loss is going to be but I don't know if this is the best area, guys. My intuition is not with me here, guys. I don't know if it's because that it's Monday, I'm a little bit tired or something, but something is telling me that we should wait a bit, guys. So, but it begins to look like a support area. Begins to look like a support area, but if we just could get the price down here, that would be more nice. No, I would wait. Yeah, I'm waiting too. Dixie's going down. Can I change TP and SLR after opening trade with Magic Terminal? Yes, you can. Waiting. Yes. Yeah, you can, Christina. You can always change it afterwards as well. So guys, I'm still waiting, guys. I don't know why, but something is telling me that, hey, you have to wait, Benjamin. Wait, wait, wait. Let's see here. It's finished. Something is telling me that I have to wait, guys. Let's try to see if we can catch this, because it begins to look like a support area here, guys, we're creating. Sometimes when we have support areas like this, guys, we often see a little sweep. That means that markets is doing up, down between these two areas, and then we see a sweep, and then we go to the opposite direction. And that would be amazing in this case, because that we still have some liquidity down here that I would really love for us to see take out before that we leave. So imagine the markets have been doing this. Then the markets went up, and I'm talking about gold. Now we have to get down to the liquidity before that we can keep going further up, right? That's what we want to see most of the times, guys. So you can do this at 0.0 from the low, which is right here, to the A, and we take the entry right here. When we see a support area, or we see some volume spikes in this area, or we see buyers entering the market. So that's what we have to wait for, guys. Right now we are making new liquidity. You can see that there is no control for buyers or sellers, guys. So right now we are just consolidating between these two levels, guys. I really hope that we're able to get this buy, guys. 24 minutes. It's a nice wick that we get here. Actually a nice 1 hour reversal candle. When we have these 1 hour reversal candles, we also have to be aware that afterwards we also see half of it at least be taken out before we go further up. So let's see if we're not getting this one, guys, right now. We're gonna take the retracement and enter there. But right now, let's just wait. We're all in this together. Once we wait till 4572, then maybe buy. Exactly. I'm gonna follow your intuition, Sarah. Sarah Benera, let's follow your intuition. Let me see who's still on the call. Tommy, Miriam, Batosh. We are all just waiting, guys. Hi, Lona. Hi, Dominika. Piotr. Hi, Piotr. Henry. No one here with camera. Guys, you're sleeping. You're sleeping. 100 participants. Damn. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. People have waken up now. On a Monday. On a Monday. Isn't it true, guys? Monday is our new favorite day. swear that's, from my perspective, it really is my favorite day. And the more we get closer to Friday, Thursday, I begin to be like, oh no, another weekend. I don't like them. I don't like weekends. Not for me. Guys, a little bit boring if we don't see that sweep or anything. Maybe we're first gonna enter down here, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7. Strong support area for the USD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, guys. This is crazy support level on the USD CAD. Damn. Do you see this, guys? That's insane. That's actually insane. But we still have to wait. We're all in this together. Once we know that we are. Getting a little bit impatient. Anything else that we can look at? We have, of course, the NAS. NAS has been going up. The more Dixie is going down, the more stocks is going up, the more crypto is going up, the more gold is going up, right? So, if we're going up now, guys, I don't know what I'm doing then. It's a nice support area that we have created, but I want to see this sweep here, guys. This is too obvious, isn't it, to do a buy here? Most people have least people have most. Most people have done buys here, guys. I mean, if I was at the top and I was able to move the markets, I would do this, guys. Make a huge wick, take out all the stop losses, and then start to go up. Why shouldn't I do that? Why shouldn't I do that? If they want the liquidity, of course, but I believe that they want that. I hate weekends because I can't trade exactly, Sarah. Monday the best. I hate weekends now. Yeah, it's the same for everyone. Show some respect. Camera on, guys. Yeah, camera on, guys. That should be a culture. If gold was the symbol, we would all be rich. Exactly. I mean, this can't be true, guys. That's. Are you kidding me, guys? This is not going to happen. I mean, if it's going up from here, guys, I've never seen something so obvious, guys, and I don't know what to say about that. Maybe the broker guys have been shifted with Mickey Mouse or something, but this is shit if it's going up here, guys. It would be insane. You see? Wait. Takes out some stops. We've tried to put sills. Now I just have to get down, sweep all the losers, all the losses, stop losses. Don't do that, guys. I don't know what to say. I'm so sorry, guys, but Mickey Mouse is at the top. And we have to wait till we get up to this area. This can't be true, guys. I don't make any sense if the market is not going down from here. There should come sellers now, guys, so be careful. That is not happening. I don't know what to say about this markets, guys. They are still sleeping in London. London gang, London drip. When I'm thinking London session, I'm always thinking about these gangsters with drip and chains and all that diamonds everywhere. When I'm thinking New York session, I'm thinking of Wolf of Wall Street and these guys with a suit on, sitting on their broke office together, calling people up. Asian session, I think about sushi always, guys. So it's crazy, yeah. When I'm thinking about New York, I got Ian with bazookas. Exactly, yeah. Sellers should enter now. Come on, more seller pressure, guys. I don't want to see the price take off from here. That will really piss me off. The volume is so sad, guys. It's crazy. Why are we not moving anywhere? Just been looking into my screen the last 1 hour and have just been going this. So boring. To see this. Oops. Nice. Come on, sellers, take the control so we can go a little bit further down. Should happen. I would do it also if I was at the top. I would also do it if I was on the top. For sure. But let's begin to buy when we get down to this area, guys. Because we need this one, guys. It's such a beautiful buying area. We have this downtrend and we have this uptrend, guys. And when they are crossing, have a nice edge right here, guys. Crazy. And if we don't get this, I don't know what is happening. All in this. I think the market is waiting for something. They're waiting till we enter, Henry. Then they're going to push the other way. I think the market's boring market, bank holiday. Yes, sir. It's so boring right now. What's happening, guys? I mean, we could have done a buy down here, guys. Not the best ones. So now the question is, are we going to sweep or are we going down to our retracement zone here, taking the last liquidity before that we go crazy, guys? That's the big question that we have to ask ourselves right now. We're getting down here. Maybe 0.5 is the zone of the zone, but I don't believe so, guys. I don't hope so. There is a lot of support here, guys. So sad that I'm a little bit confused. Why am I lacking with clarity? I have even taken my vitamins today. I have done it already, so why do I lack? Are you guys taking vitamins, guys? Let me see in the chat. And which vitamins? That's important, guys. Let me see. No, not anymore. What, bro? Why are you not taking vitamins? I forget most of the time. How many people in here do have a skin routine? All the girls smile now, nails. My girlfriend is always trying to push me. Of course, me, yes, all the girls. There we go. You should also have a brain routine, guys. It's really important. Ah, there's someone with some nice stuff here. C, vitamin C, B6, B12, omega-3, zinc, magnesium, creatine, D3, K12, always. Mushrooms. Mushrooms, exactly. Lion's mane, I use that as well. It's a game changer. Remember, guys, if you're doing a skincare routine, guys, you should also do a brain care routine. That's really important, guys. I promise you, I was a guy who had a really crazy lack of memory before, but when I do vitamins, I don't know how, but it's really working that my memory is coming like a absolute elephant, guys. I have a brain like an elephant when I do vitamins. It's crazy. So skincare routine and brain routine. Where do you buy Lion's Mane? Found a lot of scam sites on it. I actually have a, I don't know if I can sit and share this, but I have a website from Poland where I buy all my vitamins. Striada, I believe it's called. So remember vitamins, really nice to see some people is taking care of their brain. Poland is a plug, yes sir. But it's really important, guys. I can't say it enough. Take care of your brain, guys, especially when you're looking into a screen the whole day. I know some people is also using the same glasses as I am, where we have this blue light so we don't just get screen light on our face the whole day. Otherwise, we will have this foggy brain, this lack of clarity, guys, and I can tell you it's the worst. It's like becoming depressed without actually having anything to be depressed about. It's crazy. Done that, been there. Don't do it. It's important to take care of your health, guys. It's the most important thing. Come on, we need this SPY position. Let's see if we can get it. We're so close to the area, guys. Should we just take the buy here, guys, and just do a bigger stop loss, bigger take profit? Or should I just be a little bit patient right now? But this is a buying area as well. Used to play chess. Chess is really nice. I love to play chess as well. Sometimes trading is like chess as well, guys. So imagine it's you against the markets and against yourself always, guys. So sometimes you have to think about what will you do if you were at the top and you were able to actually move the markets. Would you make sure that people got taken out before that we left for this huge impulsive move to the upside? I would do that. And if I played chess, I would know that move right away, guys. So chess is really good for your brain as well, guys. I love to play chess. Maybe we should take a game of chess, Camilla. Maybe that would be nice. I love playing chess. All right, we get down to the area right now, guys. So let's be ready on our Magic Terminal or our MazeTrade or whatever you're using, guys. But remember, the West League is going to be on Magic Terminal, guys. Let's be ready, guys. So the stop loss is going to be right here, guys. This is the position that I would really like to have, guys, in this area here. If we get down here, guys, that would be nice. And we're gonna have a stop loss, which is right. Can we have something like this? It's a little bit too big. Maybe we have to wait for a bigger spike. Nah. Guys, this is not a good area. It can turn here as well, guys. Gold is overall making me a little bit confused, guys. So we want to have our take profit, no, our stop loss at 62 around here. The only thing is that we have been testing this area more than once, guys, which means that we could spike. Can we just have that big spike fast so we can take this setup before that we close the session? Dixie is going down as well, guys. We had some nice wicks here. We have strong support area, resistance area. Ah, shit. Sorry for a little bit boring market, guys. I wish that I was able to move it, but I'm not. I will go down before we skyrocket 100%. Exactly, that's the same that I want. So we have to be. What did our this hour has gone fast, aim? Yes, I hate it as well. I hate it as well. It's because that we are all so excited, so the time is just flying, right? We all want this buy position, but it's not possible at the moment. It's crazy. But to me, guys, this looks like last time we had a support level. It looks something like this. Can you please just go down, gold, just for a second, please? Hello, R2D2 robot. Mm. Did you post something to Discord? Yes, sir. The Discord server is up, and I'm gonna post all the signals there. So all trades that I'm taking, guys, I'm gonna share them there. Okay. Of course, we can speak about the trades in the Telegram, and if you want, you can also share it there. But we need more activity there. It's the company who's telling me that. So it's really important, guys, that we are using Discord more. It's really important because there's more clear structure in Discord, and they are able to actually follow what is happening. So. Guys, it begins to be a little bit boring, this, guys. I don't know what is happening. We need to get a little bit further down, otherwise I really don't get it. So, guys, maybe we're gonna take this trade after the stream is closed, because right now it looks like, I don't know what to call this, guys. Super sad. Super boring. But we want a really heavy buy here, guys. Not a heavy buy, small risk, because remember, guys, we are in this downtrend. Okay, we are in this downtrend, guys. But it's possible that the Dixie is about to turn here, guys, because we have to get under this support level, guys. And I hope that this will happen this week, guys. It will, 100%. It will go down here to this area here. And here, maybe here. but this is also a hard support area to break through. But when we get that break, guys, I know that gold will 100% fly like crazy. Where's the price now? And the Dixie is pushing as well, guys. Doesn't make sense. Right. Also, guys, have you seen XRP is going up? And in short period of time, guys, you will see this. You will either see that the price is doing this, or you will see the price doing this on XRP, guys. So I tell you, you can do, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this because it's not trading, but you can do arbitrage, guys. Means that you have an edge on both sides. On the long term, on the short term, you are able to catch a nice risk reward on the both sides, guys. So just be aware, guys, sometimes that we can have an edge no matter which direction it goes in. But it's going to break one of the directions, 100% sure. Also, like, keep going with this consolidation here. All the nice areas is this area here. All the nice selling areas is this area. Oops, here. Buy here. But damn, it have been consolidating a lot. Like a lot. Right, guys, should we speak about this in the Telegram group, or should we just keep going for 5 minutes? Remember, guys, when we're sitting and waiting like this, guys, you are totally allowed to just leave, guys. It can be so sad sometimes to just sit and wait, and I'm sorry I'm not able to like entertain fully. Try my best to do the best for entertainment, but it can be a little bit like, what the fuck? So... Short, keep going. You're doing great. Thank you. At what price we're looking to? Can you send the link on the Telegram? Can someone send the link for the Telegram group, guys? Don't want to rush anything first day of the week. Exactly. We want that nice position for the week, guys. We want the first win for the week. And I know when we have 100 people on a Monday, guys, if we get this win, I know 200 people will come tomorrow. So it's really important for me as well that we get a nice buy position, guys. I don't know if we should wait anymore, guys, or if we should just take this. I'm waiting that we're going a little bit further down, but this is not a bad buying area neither. But not the best. We don't have any like confirmation that we're going to change direction here. Not yet, at least. And this is not bullish overall, guys, so. Yeah, we should default wait, guys. Definitely. Send a screenshot. Let's ask here. This is the area that we're waiting for right now, guys. This is the area that we want to do buys from. Okay, so we have to, no matter what, guys, and we're gonna take this trade after the stream, guys, because there's nothing to do right now. It's too boring, and the market is just going sideways, up, down, in circles, whatever. We don't like this, guys. So we have to wait for it to go down here, and then we have to see if we can have a nice trade like this or something, and at least go to a 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 3. That would be a nice way to start out our week, guys, if we can have a 1 to 3. Got some really nice 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5 last week, guys. Now we have to catch this one as well. So our first target is going to be around 4590. 4590. The second target is going to be a little bit more like dream scenario, where we are going after like the big risk reward, guys. Maybe something like this, guys, which is possible actually, because I believe that the market is going up. But is it possible actually? I don't know. At least, guys, we're gonna go after 1 to 1, 1 to 3. Okay. I don't know. I don't think that this area up here is possible, because on the bigger perspective, guys, we are still going down, and I don't believe that we're going to turn on the 0.382, guys. We want to see at least 0.5 before that we're changing the direction and the character. And maybe we're not even changing, guys, because we broke this low. We broke this low. Oh, sorry. Got under this high, under this high. Now we have a new high. Now we should have a new low, guys. And if we're getting a new low, guys, but that would not make sense at all. If this goes down, gold should go up. If gold goes up, then it should maximum be in this or this area. We have support here that we haven't tested. Yeah, we have. Okay, we have some resistance here that we have tested once, guys. This can be a nice resistance area that we are able to create. But it's a little bit like over dreaming to go after 1 to 10, I believe. So if it breaks now, guys, we're gonna wait. So that means that we have to wait for the price to go to at least this area up here. If we break above, guys. So if it goes above this point here, guys, you need to be aware of this. When we get to this area, guys, we have to begin to look for sales, and we have a higher edge on the sales, guys. I believe that. If we're still just going down here, then let's go to sleep, guys. Okay, it's too boring. So guys, I don't think I want to take more of your time just looking into a screen. It's not healthy at all. So go out, do whatever you want. I'm going to share the details if you're going into this trade, guys. And I wish you the best day of your life. And I know a miracle is about to happen for you guys. I wish you all the best, guys. See you on the top. Let's chat in the Telegram and Discord. Bye-bye.